All right, so I've had some questions about rewiring the TSSM or the bank angle sensor on the later model stuff. The bank angle sensor is built into the TSM turn signal security module, or TSSM, on the later bikes there, or not later, newer, pretty much 03, 04 up. They're slightly different depending on the years. So basically what's going on, your bank angle sensor, your tip over sensor, is just basically a little check ball inside of something that provides the ground. So think of it like this: if the bike falls over so far, this little check ball falls out and it breaks the ground, which kills the power through the ignition module, or ECM. On the later stuff, this in particular is like 09 through 11 for this particular thing. So you'd have to look depending on the year of your bike. For those bikes, it works almost the same way. The little sensor inside the TSM that tells if the bike's upright or if it's on its side, which is basically going to kill the ground to the ECM. Kill a ground to the ECM to tell it not to work. Or on security module bikes, it's going to tell the starter relay that the security's off, so it ain't going to allow the starter button to work or the starter to turn over. We can, you're not supposed to, but it's your bike, you do what you want to do. To disable that stuff, you can go to pin 9 on the Deutsch connector that comes off the TSSM, which should be a tan and green wire. It's basically a green wire with a tan stripe, or a tan wire with a green stripe, depending on how you look at it. And give yourself a little bit of room there, and you can cut that wire right there and run it directly to ground. So everything's going to work. Your fuel pump's still going to work. Ignition's still going to work. Starter relay's still going to work. Everything's going to work on there. But just be warned that when you do that, if the bike does fall over, it's going to continue running. Or the fuel pump's going to keep working too. So it's up to you. That's just a little disclaimer there. So pin 9 on the 12-point connector that goes into the TSM. You're just going to snip that off. The portion that you're grounding is not on the TSM side. The portion you're grounding is on the wiring harness side. Make sure you got a good ground, solder some wire to it. And I'd recommend, if you're putting a ring terminal on there, to don't just crimp it, but solder the ring terminal too. And use good weatherproof heat shrink. And then wherever you're hooking that ground up to, use a little star washer, or even just take and sand off a little bit wherever you're putting it onto. Use a star washer and make sure you got good solid ground that's not being pulled on. So give yourself a little bit of room there. You don't want to be pulling on the wires at any point in time. And really, that's about it. And you can look it up. It might be different pen or different on some bikes, depending on the year and the model. But I think on this one that works on this setup that I looked up works for Softails and Dynas. So if it's on a bagger, it might be a different pin number, it might be a different wire color. Or it might be the same. I didn't look that up. I just looked it up for Dyna, which happened to be the same as Softails for those particular years, 09 through 11. And then they probably changed something in there at some point in time. So anyway, that's how it works. You're grounding your starter relay. Ground goes through there. One of your ECM grounds goes through there, and on some of the stuff that uses the clutch switch, I think the clutch switch and neutral switch goes through there too. as a safety function. And that's about it. Hope that helps you out, man. Y'all have a good week. My eyes are still screwed up. I just had injections in them today, and it's still itchy and hurts. But take care, everybody. Have a good week. Thank you. Bye-bye.